All right, my friends, this is Kim, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I wanted to take just a couple of minutes to show you how to use one of my meal ready kits. This is one I just did a video on, and this is the ones we use at home, okay? Now, in the event of an emergency kit, I would not have the, jar of food. I would use a replacement. And I forgot to mention in that video, I would put in a spoon for everybody and probably a bowl or something like that so that we would be able to eat them, and a napkin, okay? So let me show you what I have in this kit and what I made. For me, this is probably the most simple kit I could put together for my family. There are 3 of us, and this is what we would eat in one serving, okay? So in this kit for home use, I have a jar of my home canned chicken that's shelf stable, and I have a package of this rice. It's a chicken and pasta blend in a savory chicken flavored sauce, okay? Now, what I would do is I would empty the pasta or the rice into my cooking pan. I would save the chicken juice out of here and dump the chicken, or I would scoop out the chicken, however you want to do that, add that to the rice. Then I would have my liquid left over from the jar. I would fill the jar up because this holds about 2 cups, and that's what this needs. Dump the chicken juice with the water into the pot, and it comes out after 7 minutes looking like this. Okay, so I have a hot, quick meal. It took just a couple of minutes to make, about 10 minutes. Now, to make it a more complete meal, depending on your family and what they eat, you could add in a can of vegetables. I like to keep vegetables in the can because if, we're a little extra hungry or something like that, you could have vegetables on the side. If you had mixed vegetables, you could put it right in with the rice, or a can of corn. I mean, that's what my family would prefer. Or carrots, you could put them in with the rice. And now you have a pretty complete meal. Now, I know for a fact the boys are not going to eat these beans tonight. So for myself, I also pack in, now this is some mango I found at the dollar store. It came in a 3-pack for $1.25. So I keep one of these in the kit as well, or some type of fruit. Now my nephew will eat applesauce, so I would probably add an applesauce. You could add ones like this, or they have the little squeeze bags. Again, you can get those at the dollar store, or I think they're a little less expensive to buy in a larger package at Walmart. But put in some fruit or vegetables to make your meal more complete, and I'm ready to go. If I don't know what to make for dinner, I can look on my shelf and say, you know what, we're having chicken and rice for dinner tonight. If the boys want the vegetable, fine. If they don't, I have some fruit for me. So this is how easy it is to use these ready meal kits. If you have any comments or questions, or you would like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below and give me a thumbs up, and I will be making a bunch of these kits. I will record them for you so you will be able to see them. All right, and then if you have ideas, you can leave those in the comments below, because you know what, I don't know everything. I learn a lot from my community members, and I really appreciate you coming to watch my videos. Have a wonderful night, everybody.